back to our channel. This is Kyu&Ery, and today we're having a really relaxing day here at Yeongjong Seaside Railbike in Incheon. The weather is absolutely beautiful, cool breeze, clear sky, and the perfect day for a small adventure. We've been wanting to try this for so long, so I'm excited to finally bring you along with us. So we're here at the ticket counter now. The staff told us the whole ride takes about 30 to 40 minutes depending on how fast you pedal. But honestly, I want this to be slow and peaceful. I want to enjoy every second of the ocean view. Look at this view. The ocean is literally right beside the track. I can already feel the sea breeze from here. It's cool, fresh, and so calming. If you ever come here, try choosing a day that has this kind of weather. It makes the whole experience feel like a healing day. This is so nice already. The rail bike moves smoothly and you can hear the sound of the waves as you go along. I love activities like this, simple, slow, and full of beautiful scenery. The air is so refreshing, and look at that wide open ocean on the left. It's so peaceful. This place is really perfect if you want something relaxing. You don't need to be athletic or strong for this. It barely feels like exercise. And the entire view is open, so you can see the coastline, the sky, the birds. Everything feels very free. The wind is getting stronger. It feels so good though, not cold, just refreshing. And the more we pedal, the more beautiful the view becomes. There are birds flying everywhere today, like they're joining us on the ride. One of the things I love about Yeongjong Island is how peaceful it is. You get the ocean, the horizon, and this long stretch of railbike tracks that make you feel like you're slowly traveling through a painting. It's simple, but it's healing. tips if you're planning to come here: book your ticket in advance, especially on weekends. Come during late afternoon or early morning if you want the best lighting. Bring your jacket if it's windy, and of course, bring your camera. The spots here are very photogenic. At the end now, and honestly, I wish it was longer. This kind of simple activity makes you slow down and appreciate the little things: the breeze, the sound of the waves, the quiet moments. And that's it, we're done with the rail bike ride. It was calm, relaxing, and definitely worth the visit. If you're near Incheon Airport or planning a short trip, the Yeongjong Seaside Railbike is a must-try. Thank you so much for spending the day with us here in Yeongjong, and if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in our next travel video. Bye-bye!